Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we're going to read the poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree. So let's get started. Let's talk about the poet first. W.B. Yeats, 13 June 1865 to 28 January 1939, was an Irish poet, dramatist, writer, and one of the foremost figures of 20th century literature. He was a firm believer that peace and happiness could only be found in a return to the simple living of the past. In 1923, he received a Nobel Prize for Literature. Let's talk about the poem. This is one of the best known of Yeats' poems. It was written in 1893. Innisfree was an actual place in Ireland, and Yeats had spent some time at this beautiful spot. The poet was attracted to the place for the reasons he gives in the poem. It is peaceful, it is quiet, and it's surrounded by nature. Let's read stanza 1. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and wattles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in the bee-loud glade. Let's paraphrase this stanza. The speaker expresses an intention to get up and go to a small island in Ireland called Innisfree. On the island, the speaker wishes to build a modest cabin out of clay and bundled twigs. The speaker hopes to plant 9 rows of beans in a clearing, which will buzz with the sound of honeybees tending to a nearby hive. Let's read stanza 2. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings. Their midnights all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet's wings. Let's paraphrase this stanza. The speaker believes that this setting promises peace, which will emerge slowly as the hazy mist of the morning falls to the earth, where crickets chirp. On the island, light flickers beautifully in the middle of the night and glows with a purple hue at midday, while little birds flutter about in the evenings. Let's read stanza 3. I will arise and go now, for always night and day. I hear lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore, while I stand on the roadway or on the pavement grey. I hear it in the deep heart's core. Let's paraphrase this stanza. The speaker repeats an intent to get up and go to Innisfree, explaining that all day and all night, the speaker imagines hearing the lake's waves breaking on the island's shore. As the speaker stands on roads or other paved places, that imagined lake sound echoes deep within the speaker's heart. So friends, this was all about the poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree. If you liked the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!